Is it okay?
This experience, you have to have it somewhere. So,
We have experience driving jeeps.
you know, when the rally 4x4, it's different because there the terrain is fixed. So the only thing you can do is just to go around. For me, this is more important because I come and I see, oh, I go there. So it's nothing. It's standard.
Под комахин не лише.
And people, they don't respect from a car like normal one.
We go right here.
Yeah. I didn't take off the traction control.
Не ивица го води. Не ивица го води.
Тоа што држи вака прашај го шиба. Техника нешто па техника.
Моторот. Боксер.
А?
Боксерот.
Браво, мајстор. Very good.
Excellent.
You're welcome.
Thank you.